in detail. Union Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Jayant Chaudhary attended the Northeast Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Conclave 2024 at IIM Shillong today. In his address, he said that northeastern states over the past decade has experienced a resurgence, reclaiming its position of prominence. He said that the government's focused Act Fast and Northeast and Act First for Northeast policy has enabled the region to emerge as a key contributor across various sectors.
And there were new ideas. मैं यहाँ सुझाव देने नहीं आया, मैं तो सुझाव लेने आया। नॉर्थ ईस्ट के हमारे लोग सुन चुके हैं प्रधानमंत्री, पहले एक्ट ईस्ट था, पहले लोक ईस्ट था, फिर एक्ट ईस्ट हुआ। अब क्या करना है हमें? फर्स्ट, नॉर्थ ईस्ट इज फर्स्ट. First and foremost and fast. That is what the government policy today is. And Northeast does require a different approach. Infrastructure gap hai. So I think there are many things that need to be done. Some of these ideas we're going to take. We're going to look at it. We need more deeper cooperation. I want all my ministers to stand up to the Chief Minister and say, sir, budget badhaiye.